by the time I'm ready to turn in. Throttle there, wide open, flat out. There's a little lift. Wide open there, flat out. Fourth. Third. Again, back
So early on that brake.
back on the wheel. Well, I'm carrying about 120 miles an hour. That's where I gotta be. Back to it. Back to the right. Leave it in third. All I gotta worry about is my brake pressure, right? So I'm very light. I'm off the brakes. I'm flowing speed. I'm back to the brakes here. Sharp turn. Clip it. Wide open right there. Flat out. Now he's gonna get a little pull because he's in third in an auto.
Yeah.
I don't need to close up on him. Just do what I'm doing. Very light brake. Off. Back to the brakes here.
To rebalance.
Throttle right there. Right through the first one. Then back to balance. On the curve. Off the brake. Throttle. Now. Use that turning cone here. Watch. Wide. I'm off the brakes. Now I'm in the throttle. Sharp. Curve. Throttle. Right out against the curve. Braking at the 1. I get it pointed. Off the brakes. Throttle there. Flat out. Let it straighten out. Big head of steam, and I still made it just fine. Flat out right there. Right against the curve. There's my lift. Now flat. Fourth. Braking. Third. And balance. That's the main name of the game right there. On the curve, flat. That's the right. Brake to 1. Very light. Off the brakes now, throttle, back to the brakes, sharp, off the brakes, throttle, flat out, setting this up, very light at the 2,
Yeah.
now I'm off the brakes, little throttle, back to the brake, right, left, throttle, wide open, back to the right, off, little brake, back to the brake, throttle there.